Here's a question that comes up a lot. Shouldn't I combine all my accounts into just one so it will yield a better return with compounding and all that stuff? Well, there may be a case to be made for consolidation, but it's not because there's some compounding jujitsu happening with more money in one account. Let's break it down. We'll use some round numbers to make the math easier for this example. Suppose you had $2,500 in 4 different accounts for a total of $10,000. We'll assume each account earned 7% for the year. That's $175 times the 4 accounts for a total of $700. Not bad, but could you have earned more if you had put it all into one account? Let's see. Combine the 4 accounts into one. That's $10,000 now in one account. Okay, compounding, do your magic. The account earns 7%, just like the 4 separate accounts did, but this time, thanks to the magic of compounding, the total return of 7% on $10,000 is $700. There are a lot of good reasons to consolidate investment accounts, but faster compounding because the account size is bigger is not one of them. If you're being charged custodial fees on multiple accounts, it may make sense to consolidate. If you have all your accounts in one place with one brokerage firm or one advisor, it's usually easier to track and to manage. Compounding doesn't play favorites. It doesn't care if you put all the money in one bucket or several. 7% or any rate of return is still the same rate of return no matter the account size. Of course, the dollar amounts will be bigger the bigger the account, but if the return is the same, the result will be the same, whether the money is spread around or all in one account.